Good evening. Now, please tell me what is the degree you studied and which year
Sir,
did you pass out that
sir,
degree?
I studied civil engineering. I'm 2019 year passed out.
Acha, after that, have you been preparing for exams or working?
Yes, sir. I took a online coaching for bank exams for 1 year.
Mm,
So later I'm giving exams, bank exams.
very good. You are from which part of Karnataka?
Sir, right now I'm staying in Bangalore. But basically I basically from Tiptur, Karnataka, sir.
What is the name of the place? Tiptur.
Tiptur.
Acha, first time I'm here.
Tumkur district, sir. It
Tumkur.
belongs to Tumkur district.
Acha, acha. Tiptur and Tumkur district.
Tiptur
People.
is a taluk
uh,
and Tumkur is a district, sir.
Oh, so in your taluka, what are the crops grown by farmers?
Sir, ragi is the main crop, and and also coconut is famous in our place.
Good.
Cultivation of coconut.
You are a civil engineering graduate.
Yes,
So
sir.
have you tried for jobs in your field? Why are you coming to banking? That too as a clerk.
Sir, actually, after I finished my civil engineering, I did a software course for civil engineering also. I like at that time only I did not have any interest to continue my career in civil field because I took it as a passion. Right now also I'm doing AutoCAD like just for a hobby, and I like to continue like start my career in banking field, sir.
This question you are not able to answer properly. Can you because you are mixing too many things. Tell me what after studying civil engineering, why did you choose civil? After studying civil, why are you not getting job in that? Please tell.
Why I choose civil engineering because like it was my drastic decision, crucial decision I made, and like before making a choice, I had a lot of thoughts. In this field, I had a flexibility, and I got I'll get a lot of opportunity to work in government sector also. But at last, nothing works, so I moved for banking exams. At that time I faced during COVID-19, I couldn't get enough opportunities in my field, so I moved for banking sector field, sir.
Good. So what is your father?
My father is a farmer.
Acha, what are the crops grown by him?
Ragi is a main crop, and like Araku, we recently planted Araku also.
Acha, very good. Ragi crop, how long it takes for it to give yields?
We will grow all the grains also, sir, like green gram, seasonal crops also. Where we have that
Very good.
habit of.
Your father has account in which bank?
He has an account in Karnataka Bank, sir.
Good. You have account in which bank?
Sir, I have an account in Federal Bank, sir.
One is Karnataka, another is federal. That's right. So, what is the similarity between among these three banks, Karnataka Bank, South Indian Bank, and Federal Bank? What is the
All are private sector banks, scheduled private sector banks.
very good? Why do you say scheduled? What is scheduled commercial bank?
Scheduled is the banks which comes under which included in second schedule of Banking Regulation Act 1934.
1949.
30, 34, sir.
No, no, RBI Act 1934. Yeah, you should tell it is
Okay.
RBI Act. If you say Banking
Yes.
Regulation Act, it is 1949. Very good.
Okay.
That's right. Is there any minister in Karnataka cabinet from Tumkur district?
Actually, like Chief Minister of Karnataka belongs to Belgaum, like Uttar Karnataka district.
Mm.
Like from Tumkur, I think we don't have any
Yeah,
cabinet.
please check it up. Tumkur, who
Yeah,
is
sir.
the
Like from Tumkur, from Tiptur district only, we have a, education minister, sir. BC
Hmm.
Nagesh.
You should tell like that. Very good.
Okay.
So please get to know about MP, MLA, and
Okay.
important people in your district,
Okay,
and
sir.
also go through Karnataka state government website to know
Okay.
about that. Good, very good.
Okay.
Can you tell me about the scheme that is done for the sake of farmers by central government or state government?
Yes, sir. There is a Pradhana Mantri Kisan Yojana is there. Like it is a central government sponsored scheme, and it was introduced in 2018. The main aim of the scheme is to give a minimum amount for a farmers in order to help poor farmers and their families. They are providing income of 6,000 rupees per year in three installments, like 2,000 for every 4 months.
Good, very good. You must also know about other schemes like Pradhan Mantri
Yes,
Fasal
sir.
Bima Yojana,
Fasal Bima Yojana, yes, sir.
then about so many other schemes, a soil card scheme, like
Uh,
that. Okay, you
okay,
please get to know and go through the budget also to know what is happening. Acha,
okay,
now
sir.
you seem to be knowing very well. Now, please tell me what is meant by um, debit card.
Okay, like debit card, it is issued by a bank, and here the amount will immediately deducted from our account, and also will proceed that transaction through ATM by using debit card,
Mm.
and
Okay,
like
but here your answer should have been a debit card is issued when an account is opened in a bank
yes,
and
sir.
it has 16 digits and there is name is written, the bank's name is also given, and month and year of expiry will be given. On the back you have
Okay, sir.
CVV, card verification value. This
Value.
card is used in ATMs and can also be used for purchasing commodities in shops
Yes,
and
sir.
also online.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Like, sir.
Do you think you will fit into job as a clerk?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why? Oh,
Sir, actually, I'm a good I'll have a good communication skill. I'll nicely talk with the people, and also I have a good listening power, so that I can listen what the customer need, and according to their customer needs, I'll provide the services. And also, like being a clerk, patience is also very important. And according to the customers, like patient, like what they'll ask, I'll understand the needs, and also according to their needs I'll provide the services. And I have a that's it, sir. Like,
yeah. You have hereafter in you will talk in Kannada. What are the languages you know?
so I know Kannada, English, I can speak Telugu.
Hmm. Acha, can you
uh,
read and write Telugu?
no, sir, I can only speak Telugu. I can understand, I can speak also.
Acha. Now you talk to me in Kannada only.
Okay, sir.
Um, please explain about the Demat account to a customer about in Kannada. What is a Demat account? Tell him.
Okay, ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ನೋ ನೀಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಅದು
No, no,
ನಮ್
no, no.
ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್
Uh,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
I will,
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
no, no, no. You are not giving able to tell me, but you tell me this in Kannada. I will tell you.
Okay.
Demat account is an account that is used for purchasing and selling shares,
Okay,
and
sir.
the shares are kept in electronic form.
Yes, sir.
Please tell that in Kannada.
ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇದು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾದು, ಶೇರ್ಸ್.
ಆ
ಶೇರ್ಸ್
ಶೇರ್ಸ್
ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್
ಆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್
electronic
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
maintained. Very good.
maintain.
Excellent. You told nicely. Yeah. Can you recollect about, say, how many siblings you have, Rashmita? I think you are married.
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. Do you have kids?
No, sir. I recently got married 4 months back, sir.
Oh, what is your husband?
Husband is working as a software engineer
In
in
which
Siemens
company?
company. Siemens
Siemens.
Health. Okay, sir.
Okay, good, good. So what is the timings of his work? Is he working from home or is he
Yes, sir. He is now weekly 3 days he have work from office. The other 2 days will be in work from home, sir.
Do you think work from home is good or bad?
Like according to me, it is good because like they can spend with their like family also. They can give time to our family also. Like they can manage both the things if anything like in risk situation in their family, so they can engage both the things, like they can along with their work they can do other work also in home.
No, don't say like that. You can't be doing other works. You say
And
like
like
this.
in their free
No,
time
no.
they can.
Yeah, you say that work from home gives more opportunity for employees to stay with their family members
Family, yes, sir.
and also saves time in traveling from home to office and
Yes,
return. How far is his office from your home?
like only 1 kilometer, sir.
1 kilometer only.
Yes, sir.
Do Siemens, do they have office in Tiptur?
No, sir. Like currently I'm staying in Bangalore, sir. We're staying in
Acha,
Bangalore.
acha. Now you are in Bengaluru. Eh,
Yes, sir.
that is right. That's right. So only 1 kilometer from your house. That is
Yes, sir.
okay. Then not much of a travel time and all that.
Sir?
Good. Not
Yes,
much
sir.
of a travel time. Good. Now answer
Yes.
me in Kannada only.
Mm.
What do you know about South Indian Bank?
I South Indian Bank. Sir, can I speak in English?
Yeah, you want English only means you talk in English. No problem.
Yes. South Indian Bank is one of the leading private sector bank, and also it is the first private sector bank in Kerala got scheduled status. Also, it was established in 1929, and it has 923 branches all over India, and 1,135 ATMs are there all over India. And in our Karnataka, there are 61 branches are there, and in South Indian Bank, they are providing enough put like banking services to the customers also, and they contributed to the like society also, like corporate social responsibility, like they hand over two electric vehicles to Jubilee Hospital also, and they are giving scholarship for matric students also, and they provided furniture facilities to the regional cancer hospital in Kerala, and also it recently got there are so many awards, and the one of the award is it got Asian Banking Website Award from uh, Asian Banking, and also it is the first private sector bank. It is having a currency just on behalf of RBI, and also it is the first private sector bank opened that NRI banking, sir.
Please tell me about the financial details of our South Indian Bank. Like what is the total deposits, total advances as
Yes,
on
sir.
31st December?
Like the total profit is 102.8 lakh crore, and capital is I couldn't able to recall, sir.
Why
Sorry, sir.
suddenly forgotten? I think
Yes, sir.
yesterday I posted
The
a
balance,
video. Yesterday I posted a video also. You remember?
yes, sir. Like I got confused that values, sir.
No. Now I think I told you in the class we were discussing in lakhs, whereas in the figure they are giving it as crores. So let us
Yes, sir.
take crores. This is what I
Yes.
said.
Okay, sir.
Mm, this this not in
Sir,
not in
I'll.
this, not in this one. One
Okay.
minute. One more video I posted, live video, I
Sir,
think
actually,
so.
I noted the points also. Like I'm not,
Mm, yeah.
okay. I couldn't able to recall that.
Uh, 1 minute. This is the thing. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Recording. Sharing screen. Share screen. Share sound also. Good morning, candidates. Good morning. This is regarding South Indian Bank. Today in the class, a candidate wanted, say, the details of deposits, advances of South Indian Bank to be told in the interview. So I thought I should tell you about it. I am just in the press release. I'm just in the press release of South Indian Bank for the quarter. And yeah, so could you see this? I think like this you can always go through that and get to know the figures. You must know the figures, and you must be able to tell me about the different products. Now tell me what are the deposit products they have. Rashmita,
Yes,
you
sir.
can answer in English or Kannada. Please tell me.
Okay, sir. So there are different deposits like savings account, current account. In savings account also there are particularly for particular persons there are different accounts. Like for women's there is a saving account called SIB Women Delight, and also for kids like SIB Junior is also there, and for senior citizens SIB Senior Elite is also there, and for corporate for salaried
Listen, listen. If you don't remember the name,
okay.
you can tell them. Southern I mean, Bank has got different types of savings accounts with special features in for women, for kids, for senior citizens separately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and like
Okay,
that
sir.
you can tell. Now, please tell me what is the difference between fixed deposit and savings bank account?
Yeah. Like for savings bank account, it is suitable for an individual or a salaried person who have their income. So in like savings account, we have to maintain a minimum balance in that savings account. And in this savings account, there is no particular period of time is also there is no fixed time is not there in savings account. And also in savings account, there is a fixed number of withdrawals will be there. But when it comes to fixed deposit, it's like a lump sum amount can be like deposited in a bank at one time. So and also there is a fixed time period also will be there, like 7 days to 10 years. Like you have to keep that amount in within like you have to keep that amount for that fixed time. If you want to withdraw within that maturity period, the bank may put penalty for that
No,
charges.
no, it is
uh,
okay. Okay, but you have to use keywords. First
okay.
and foremost thing point you should say is savings bank is a demand deposit. Fixed deposit is a time deposit. You should tell specifically, then people will know that demand means money is withdrawable on
At
demand,
any
whereas
time.
time deposits
Okay.
after a lapse of some time. That is how you should. You must always use keywords or
Okay.
important words while answering questions. Please
Okay.
tell me what all you know about RBI.
RBI RBI is a central bank and it is also a bankers bank. It regulates all the banks all over the India. And also the main functions of RBI is it is responsible for printing the currency, and it is responsible for like supply of money also. And it is like the main functions of RBI are like a foreign exchange policy. And sir, I got nervous, sir. Like,
Why nervous? Hello, you
it was
should
my
not
first
get
exam.
nervous. No, you must practice talking like this so that you don't get nervous. See, but you started off nicely, but then immediately you said RBI is printing. No, no, RBI is not printing. RBI is vested with authority for note issuing
Yes,
only.
sir. Bank,
They are not
like,
printing authority. Printing separate press is there.
like it regulates that authority.
Yeah, I think I must have told in the class many times. Anyhow,
Yes,
let us see
Bank,
that. Yeah.
Reserve Bank.
No, no. First and foremost thing you should say is bank. Reserve Bank is bankers' bank. Bankers to government, note issuing authority, then foreign exchange control, and monetary policy controlling authority. Understand?
Okay,
5
sir.
points. Very good.
Okay.
Now, please tell me what is the present repo rate?
6.5%.
What is the present bank rate?
6.25%.
Bank rate
6.25%, sir.
7.5.
6.25, 75, sir.
7.5. 6,
Okay.
6.25 is standing deposit facility rate, wherein banks keep their surplus funds with the Reserve Bank of India.
Okay, sir.
Whereas bank rate is 6.75%, the rate at which banks borrow from Reserve Bank of India. And there is one more facility known as MSF facility. What is the rate? Interest rate?
Marginal standing facility.
That is also how much? 6.75%.
75%.
Now the question is why there is a need for bank rate and MSF? Why there is need for both bank rate and MSF? MSF is used for emergency funds like
Yes,
overnight
sir. Like overnight. Yes, sir.
balances. Very good. Who is the governor of our Reserve Bank?
Shaktikant Das.
Good.
Shaktikanti Das.
Yeah. Now, Rashmita,
Sir.
please tell me who is the finance minister of Karnataka?
Sir, Basuraj Bommai only, like chief minister
Good.
only.
Acha, same person. Good. Can
Same
you
person, sir.
name can you name four union ministers' names and tell their ministries also?
Sir, like central bank, like
No, no, no.
central government.
Yeah, union government or
Okay.
central government.
Yes, sir. Like Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Home
Hmm,
Minister Amit Shah,
hmm,
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman,
hmm.
and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur.
Can you name the president of India,
Yes, sir. Draupadi Murmu,
vice president,
uh, Jagdeep Dhankar,
governor of Karnataka?
sir, Thawar Chand Gehlot,
Where is the headquarters of South Indian Bank?
Thrissur, Kerala, sir.
What is the name of subsidiary small finance bank, subsidiary of South Indian Bank?
Sir, I didn't get that question.
Subsidiary of small finance banks, small ESOF small finance bank, ESAF.
Okay.
ESAF.
EF.
Who is the MD and CEO of South Indian Bank?
Murali Ramakrishnan.
Who is the chairman?
Chairman is Samir Gangadharan.
Good, very good. Can you name um, tourist spots in your district?
Yes, sir. In like in Tumkur district, we have Namachilime. It was an ancient place. Where like in that we had like a small hole. In that, every time it will never get dry, and
Hmm.
it always have a water. that is one of the ancient place, that is Namachilime, and also we have Raya Durga, that is a so-called
Mm. And actually,
temples.
in such questions, what you should do, you should first
Okay.
tell about tourist spots like visiting places, and
Yes.
then also about temples and
Their
about
history.
yeah, some other
Okay.
thing. Should mix up and then tell.
Okay.
Otherwise, you told nicely. Now you are a civil engineer. You are in Bengaluru. What are the big projects going on in Bengaluru? Civil
Okay,
projects.
so like metro project is going on.
Hmm.
Like in our city only, we are living in civil electronic city phase 2. So
Hmm.
like here the metro construction is still going on.
Hmm.
Like they are doing in till Silk Board was like almost over. Like they are doing stations now,
Mhm.
and so many apartments were also constructing nearby our place.
Will you be prepared to take up posting? Supposing we post in anywhere in Karnataka,
Yes, sir. I'm ready to relocate anywhere
how
in
will
country.
how will your husband manage?
Actually, in Siemens company, they gave a opportunity to work from home also. If there anything like they'll give a opportunity.
Hmm. Very good.
So
So that way you
that
can manage. Yeah, that is right. Siemens company, how many offices they have in India?
offices, I think there are like the number of employees are around 60,000 employees are there, like all over India. And offices, I am not aware of it, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Now, mm, will you continue working even after getting a child?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I'll work even if I get
Very
after
good.
getting
Very
child.
good. How do you imagine yourself 10 years from now?
So definitely, I want like from 10 years now, I'll definitely get promoted to higher post. And also like now I'm joining as a clerk, and definitely after 10 years, like I'll get uh higher post in that. I'll work on it. So
Yeah, good. So, any questions you have? Otherwise, you answered well only, but maybe second time when you take, you may be able to improve it still
yes, sir,
better.
definitely I'll improve my like I
Yeah,
at first I should be very confident, and also now I am having a little bit nervousness, sir. I have
yeah.
to come
You
over from.
should not have nervousness. Okay, so welcome, welcome. Yeah. Now, um, let me ask questions to one by one. Everybody must be able to answer the questions. Okay. Um, 1 minute. What is it I want? I want South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank. Indian Bank. Yeah, just a minute. Is it being shared now? Are you able to see it? No,
No, sir.
no. That's
No,
good.
sir.
Okay, that is good. Each one will tell me one or two news reports you have read yesterday or today. We will start with Suman. Suman, please tell me what is the news report you have read yesterday or today or day before yesterday. Suman, Suman, Suman is not
Hi, sir.
speaking. Suman, speak, speak.
Good evening, sir.
Ah, good evening. Tell me quickly.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Tell.
So, RBI imposes penalty on Amazon 3.6 crores, sir.
Hmm, hmm.
Hello.
Tell me.
And other financial company also.
Hmm. Tell me. You have to speak.
Sir, sorry, sir. I can't read today and yesterday's news.
Why? Yeah, what you told is RBI imposes rupees 3.06 crore penalty on Amazon Pay India. So that news is coming here. Reserve Bank of India has imposed penalty of 3 crore 6 lakhs 60,000 rupees on Amazon Pay for non-compliance of certain directions
Yes, sir.
related to prepaid instruments and
Mm.
know your customer. Accordingly, a notice was issued and a decision to impose the penalty was taken after considering the entity's response. In a press release, RBI said that the action is based on deficiencies in regulatory compliance and is not intended to pronounce upon the validity of any transaction or agreement entered into by the entity with its customers. Correct? Yeah. Suman, Suman, can you please tell me
Yes, sir.
what is the expansion of GAIL? What is the expansion of
Sir,
GAIL in terms of
hello.
companies? What is the expansion of GAIL? Suman,
Sir, I can't hear, sir, clearly. So,
doesn't
technical issue.
doesn't doesn't matter. Um, we will go to Saidulu. Saidulu, please tell me what is the expansion of the company GAIL? I think the,
Sir, good evening, sir.
tell me. Good evening. What is the
Gas Authority
expansion
of
of?
India Limited.
Very good, good. Gas Authority of India Limited. Saidulu, can you tell me some news you have read yesterday and today?
Sir, I can't read yesterday news, sir, because of I'm going to my native place. That is that internet activity is not there, sir.
What did you do? What did you learn day before yesterday?
No, sir, I am in journey, sir. So that's why I'm not learning, sir. Yesterday.
Okay, okay. That's right. Now, let me ask some banking questions. Can you please tell me about know your customer?
KYC
Especially,
related KYC, sir,
yeah, yeah.
is the design the product of financial institutions against the fraud and corruption of money laundering and terrorism financing activities, sir. Every bank must comply the KYC norms as per RBI.
Mm,
Customer identity, understand the nature of the customer activity and quality of the source of the funds that meant by the financial institutions.
mm, mm. Come on. Why do you take so much time?
Yes, sir. The official valid documents are for KYC, passport, driving license, voter ID, PAN card, and Aadhaar.
Mm,
If
yes.
any bank is not done the KYC as per RBI rules,
Mm.
RBI impose the finance on that financial institutions, sir.
RBI imposes penalty.
Yes, yes, sir.
You said finance. RBI imposes penalty.
Penalty.
Mm, yeah, yeah. Good. That's all. Why? Why are you not remembering things? Okay, doesn't matter. Now,
Okay,
tell me what are the duties and responsibilities of you as a bank clerk?
sir.
What are the duties and responsibilities of you as a bank clerk? Saidulu.
Okay, sir. The process of customer transaction of the bank and verify personal and financial information of the institutions, maintaining customer financial data, sir. Support cash and management activities.
Mm, Okay. Now, why should I select you, Saidulu? Why should I give preference to you?
Because of sir, because of the I have the knowledge about the finance related. I completed my MBA finance, sir. I have a little bit knowledge about that finance and banking related terms, and I'm also preparing for bank for 2 3 years. So I have the qualities. We have to select.
Can you please tell me what do you know about NPCI?
National Payment Corporation of India.
Tell me what are the points you know about it?
National Payment Corporation of India, all the retail payment companies that collaborated in one under the one roof are supported by the Indian Bank Association and Reserve Bank of India.
Hmm.
NPA provide online transactions, routing process and settlement of services to the members participating in UPI either directly or third party.
Hmm. No, I think this answer is not correct. We will give chance to Rajat Verma. Rajat Verma, can you tell me something about NPCI?
सर NPCI सर ये नेशनल पेमेंट कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया है, जैसे कि अभी बताया है। और सर इसके बारे में मुझे इतना मतलब आइडिया है नहीं। NP
क्यों क्यों नहीं पढ़ा है? NPCI का important person is Dilip Asbe. He is the chairperson or the managing director of NPCI. NPCI is the authority which has issued different platforms. What is the name of those platforms? You must be able to tell. Can anyone tell me what are the names of platforms
Yes,
launched by
yes, sir. Aadhaar enable payment system, Bharat Bill Pay system, Bharat QR, Beam, check transaction system, digital checks,
Hmm.
Sir,
immediate
UPI.
payment service,
Hmm.
National Automatic Clearing House, sir.
Hmm. Good. Then
Immediate
tell
payment
me.
service, IMPS, digital
Ah.
RuPay,
Hmm.
check transaction,
Hmm.
switch,
Hmm.
RuPay, unified payments interfaces.
Hmm. See, these are the things that they have got. One is UPI, IMPS, NAC,
Yes,
AEPS, NFS, RuPay, Bharat Bill Payment. Now, Sai Tulu, can you tell
sir.
me what for NFS is used? It is used in which transactions?
Large
NFS.
National Financial Switch is the largest networking shared automatic teller machine in India,
Good.
sir. It was designed and
Very,
deployed with
very
the
good.
aim of
Sufficient.
interconnect.
Sufficient.
Yes,
Good. Very good. You told nicely. And when this is used, NACH is used.
NACH.
Ah, National Automated Clearing House, where it is used.
Clearing platform similar existing of ECS of RBI, sir.
You can say that it is used in respect of bulk transactions, like direct benefit transfers, like
Bulk transaction.
Kisan Samman Nidhi, then gas subsidy and all that also. This is used. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Good. Next, we will go to who can answer Akash.
Yes,
Akash,
sir.
Akash, what is your degree?
Sir, postgraduate in Hindi.
पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन हिंदी। अच्छा जी, राजभाषा के लिए गवर्नमेंट ने क्या क्या करते हैं जिसका वजह से राजभाषा हमारा बैंक्स में यूज हो जाते हैं, क्या क्या स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं?
सर राजभाषा के
I think you have to prepare about this. Rajbhasha, I think they have schemes like say A, B, C and all. A cities you have to use Hindi like that. Some criteria is there. उसका बारे में आप prepare कर दीजिए.
ओके सर
You have to know. You just go to Google and search India Rajbhasha usage in government offices, like that you search, they will tell. Some cases we have to in some places communication has to be in Hindi only. In some places it has to be only in English and Hindi, and in some places it can be in English and local language, something like that. So you have to
यस सर
know, because as a Hindi person you must know this. What is the name of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's father?
अमिताभ
What
बच्चन
is
फादर सर श्री हरिवंश राय बच्चन
because he is a famous writer,
पोइट
that is
पोइट
the poet. That is why I am asking you. Good.
ओके सर
Can you name the famous writers who are alive now? Hindi writers who have been given Padma Awards or whatever it is recently, or Sahitya
इंस्टेंट
Academy
सर
Awards. Sahitya Academy Awards.
यस सर आई आई राइट बट आई नॉट
रिमेम्बरिंग. अच्छा जी,
अवेयर
आपका
नाउ
पिताजी क्या काम करते हैं?
सर फादर इज नो मोर सर
आई एम सॉरी, ये आप कहाँ रहते हैं?
सर दिल्ली
दिल्ली. अच्छा अच्छा, दिल्ली. गुड गुड गुड. दिल्ली में क्या नया चीज चलता है अभी? व्हाट इज
इस
न्यू
समय
थिंग
सर
हैपनिंग? हाँ.
इस समय सर गवर्नमेंट कोलैप्स चल रहा है जिसकी वजह से जो हमारे एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर दिल्ली के एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर मनीष सिसोदिया जी को अरेस्ट किया गया है
यस.
और उसके लिए मतलब दो नए एक एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर और हेल्थ मिनिस्टर सत्येंद्र जैन की जगह पर दो नए फेस लाए गए हैं वन इज आतिशी एंड सेकंड इज सौरभ भारद्वाज
गुड. अच्छा जी, आपको बैंक क्या क्या पर्पस के लिए लोन देते हैं ये जानते हैं?
यस सर
बोलिए.
सर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर होम लोन कार लोन बिजनेस लोन सर और सर एजुकेशनल लोन
गुड.
इज अ प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग
प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लोन के लिए बैंक्स कितना % लोन देना पड़ेगा?
सर बैंक्स का क्राइटेरिया होता है अपने 100% नेट डिमांड एंड टाइम लाइबिलिटीज का 40% फॉर प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर लैंडिंग के लिए उन्हें रखना पड़ता है
करेक्ट. और स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक्स, वो लोग कितना % प्रायोरिटी सेक्टर को देना पड़ेगा?
सर आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दिस
75%. 75% they must.
ओके
Or yeah. How many
ओके सर
small finance banks are there in our country?
स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक सर
Hmm.
सर एट प्रेजेंट देयर इज फोर स्मॉल फाइनेंस नो
Oh,
सर
wow.
आई एम नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दिस
12 small finance banks are there.
12
Yeah, out of that, one is ESOP Small Finance Bank. That is
दिस इज
subsidiary of
स्पॉन्सर्ड
our.
बैंक
That is a subsidiary of our South Indian
साउथ
Bank.
इंडियन बैंक यस सर
Very good. अच्छा जी, हमको ombudsman का मतलब क्या है? Banking ombudsman.
सर बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन सर अगर किसी कस्टमर को कोई क्वेरी है, अगर वो उसकी सॉल्व नहीं होती है बैंक के पास, तो वो बैंकिंग ओम्बुड्समैन में कंप्लेंट कर सकता है।
गुड, वेरी गुड, दैट इज राइट, यू टोल्ड करेक्टली। अच्छा जी, हमको ये बताओ, बीसी का मतलब क्या है बैंकिंग में? बीसी बोलने
बैंकिंग
से
कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट सर।
उनका काम क्या है जी?
सर दे दे रीच एट रिमोट लोकेशंस to provide banking services.
Good. I think in our group also there is one person working in India Post Payment Bank, ना? उनका नाम क्या है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is that? Who is that?
Sir, Akshay Chauhan.
Akshay Chauhan.
Akshay. अच्छा, he has not come today. अच्छा, good.
Sir, I am here only.
Oh, you are here only. Akshay
Yes, sir.
Chauhan, please tell me the job responsibility of a banking correspondent.
Yes, sir. They are recruited to deliver the banking services to the remote locations and provide doorstep banking facility along with the social security schemes to the unserved people of the country.
वो कैसे करते हैं वो बताना है ना, आपने ये बोलना है।
Sir,
You are
they
taking
use
mini ATM. You are taking
micro
mini ATM.
ATM.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
माइक्रो ATM। अच्छा, बोलिए, इसका बारे में क्लियरली बताओ।
Yes, sir. They use micro ATM as well as third party services app for delivering bank assurance services along with the CASA account facilities.
गुड। इसका बीच में कई कई पोस्ट ऑफिस पेमेंट्स में बैंकिंग करस्पॉन्डेंस ये लोग गलत काम कर रहे हैं, वो पैसा नहीं जमा देते हैं, वो कैसे होगा? How are they not depositing the money to the bank's account? हमने कई रिपोर्ट में देखा था, कोई बैंकिंग करस्पॉन्डेंट ने बहुत साल से पैसा नहीं जमा दिया आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग मनी फ्रॉम पब्लिक ऑल्सो। ऐसा भी होता है? आप ऐसा में भी कुछ सुना है आपको
सर,
आईपीपीबी में?
इंडिया पोस्ट में सर लिमिट्स हैं बैंकिंग कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट की फॉर टेकिंग द डिपॉजिट्स एंड सबमिटिंग टू द नियरेस्ट सब ऑफिस ब्रांच. Sir,
So
we have 25K limit for taking deposits and as well as withdrawal, and we have to give the daily transaction report to the nearest sub office that we have.
आपने कभी सुना है कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक दिस, और आपने सुना नहीं है?
सर, मेरे नियर बाई एरिया में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हमें तो डेली देना पड़ता है.
अच्छा, ठीक है, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट, हु कैन आंसर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? नेक्स्ट, एनीबडी एल्स? अनिल, 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 अनिल और उनाटी सिंह, उनाटी सिंह,
Yes, sir. Yes,
उनाटी
sir.
सिंह, आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है जी?
Sir, I'm self-motivated. I am good listener and I can handle things very well and I can do my work efficiently and effectively and I'm I can handle pressure works also.
How will you identify a customer satisfaction?
Sir, after giving a service, I may ask the customers how would you like, matlab, how much they like our services and the staff response towards their services, or I can suggest him or her to please give your feedback on our official websites also. And I can also judge by their behavior and also the sector, also the yes, sir, that's it.
Unati, are you answering all
Yes,
this with a smiling face or with a crying face? Bolo?
sir, with a smiling face, definitely.
अच्छा, बट
Yes, sir.
आवाज में तो उतना खुशी देखता नहीं है। See, the happiness is not seen in your voice. Do you follow what I say? समझ रहे हैं आपको?
Yes, yes, sir,
Let
definitely.
let me see Rashmita. Rashmita, how, you please talk to me in Kannada. How will you identify a customer satisfaction?
ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಲೈಕ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಅಂತ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್
Okay, now Saidulu, can you tell me in Telugu how will you identify that satisfaction of customer?
Sir,
Tell me, Saidulu, how will you identify the customer satisfaction?
customer satisfaction.
Hmm.
In Telugu, sir, or English?
Telugulo చెప్పండి, no problem. Or English లో చెప్పండి, no problem. Hello, Baba.
Okay, sir. Sir.
These are very basic questions they are asking in South Indian Bank interview. I don't know whether the screen is visible for you. These are the questions that were asked last year in our South Indian Bank. They are asking very simple questions like this. For this, what you can say is, sir, number one, I will receive the customer with a smiling face. You should smile like that and tell, and also, and I will listen to him carefully what is his requirement. And after listening carefully, I will try to satisfy the needs of the customer by carrying out his requirements. And then I will cross check with him whether his needs are all satisfied. By looking at the smile on the face of the customer, I can determine whether the customer is happy or not. समझ गया? Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
ये
No, sir, can you?
ये बात नहीं है. This is the correct answer. ऐसा नहीं है. आप दूसरा मापी भी बोल सकते हैं, बट जब भी whatever answer आप दे रहे हैं, वो हंस के बताना है, कॉन्फिडेंटली बताना है. बट क्या हो रहा है, हम लोग सबको इतना डर है, आपको जो आंसर आपका मन में है वो भी फॉरगेट हो जाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप
ओके सर.
बिल्कुल, अरे भाई, ये नौकरी मिलने से अच्छा है, ये नौकरी मिलने से तो आपको लाइफ खत्म नहीं होगा. यू आर गोइंग टू हैव समथिंग एल्स इन फ्यूचर. ये नहीं मिलने से यू विल बी गेटिंग समथिंग बेटर देन दिस. एंड ऐसा भी आप सोचना है. कुड यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? आई डोंट नो वेदर आई एम
Yes,
एबल
sir.
टू क्लैरिफाई
Yes,
इट.
sir.
आप लोग को मन में, let me tell you children, only most important thing is success तो होना है, but success होना always possible नहीं है. We need only one job. We need only one job, and that one job you will get it, but you must prepare for this. You must practice for that. That is what is required. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Rajat Verma. Rajat Verma,
Sir,
are you there? Rajat Verma, you are from which state?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Good. राजस्थान राजस्थान में काम करेगा और कई दूसरे जगह में भी डालने से जाएंगे आप?
सर जैसे कि बैंक की रिक्वायरमेंट लगी है वहाँ पे रिलोकेट करने के लिए बोली.
अच्छा, गुड.
Sir, in this notification, they are specially mentioned about the state that belong to domicile state of the applicant. Why they have asked about the relocate, sir?
No, no.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether they will ask, but this is the regular question they used to ask in all other interviews. but हो
Okay.
सकता है mostly they will post you
Yes,
within.
sir. They always ask
They will ask this.
whether there is a requirement in their hometown or not. They always ask, are you able to relocate or not?
Yeah, they want to retain the right to transfer you anywhere else also, but वो लोग नहीं करेगा. Mostly clerical में ज्यादा वो लोग जानते हैं within 40,000 rupees salary में आपको नया जगह में भी आप after staying there आपको घर को भी पैसा भेजने नहीं पाएंगे. They know this. So but still कभी कभी जरूरत हो गया तो करना ही पड़ेगा. इसलिए वो पूछेगा आर यू विलिंग टू बी रीलोकेटेड. आप हंस के बताना है यस सर आई एम विलिंग टू गो एनीवेयर एल्स. I will learn the language. I will try to be along with local people, perform better. Aisamapi, happiness. You have to talk with happiness. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, who can tell me something about DICGC?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Tell
it
me.
provides insurance to the bank up to 5 lakhs of the deposits in terms of bankruptcy or solvency of the bank.
Are
Up
they
to 5
giving
lakh
guarantee?
deposit.
No, no, you told this, but then the answer is not clear. That's what I was telling Rashmita also when I was conducting interview for her. Whenever we talk, we must talk using keywords or important words. Now, we will go to next person. Who is there? Nobody is there. Hmm. नया आदमी सुमन बोलो ना. DICGC के बारे में बताओ.
Yes, sir.
What is DICGC?
Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Scheme, sir. Its headquarters in Mumbai. Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Scheme, sir. Its headquarters in Mumbai. It provides insurance up to 5 lakhs, sir.
Insurance for what? Life or medical insurance? Bolo.
Sir, वो principal and interest.
Yes, sir. Medical insurance and
No. Here, what is important is
medical insurance and along
Protection
with
cover against loss, sir.
Pardon? It is?
It is a protection cover against loss that occurring in a bank deposit. If bank fails financially and has no money to pay its depositors and has to go with the that amount, sir, they'll provide 5 lakhs for that.
Very good. No. Actually, DICGC, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. It is one of the subsidiaries of RBI. Chairman's name is Mr. M.D. Patro, one of the deputy governors of RBI.
Yes, sir.
DICGC gives guarantee coverage up to rupees 5 lakhs per depositor in a bank. In the eventuality of liquidation, depositors will be compensated up to rupees 5 lakhs. Would you follow? These points should be there. This guarantee is for the customer, per customer. Do you understand these points? Important
Okay, sir.
points.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell like that clearly. Good. Now we will go for IRDA. Tell me something about IRDA. Who can answer this? IRDA. IRDA.
Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India.
What is that?
Its headquarters in Hyderabad, Telangana, sir.
Yes, please.
And the chairperson is
It
Debashish
is also an insurance company. Debashish Panda, yes, sir.
Control India's insurance industries.
Okay.
And it is a statutory body under the
It is a wholly owned subsidiary of SIDBI, sir.
SIDBI? No. There is no connection between SIDBI and this.
Yes, sir.
There is no connection between SIDBI and IRDAI. IRDAI is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Actually, if you want such doubts, what you can do, you can go to Google and just put IRDAI and you will get some points in that one. Whatever,
Mudra is connected with SIDBI, sir.
say for example, you get like this. Are you seeing on the screen? What does IRDAI stand for? Are you seeing on the screen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Oh, 1 minute. Sorry. If you search like this, you will get, for example, IRDA or Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India is the apex body. These catchwords you have to use in your answers. Is the apex body that supervises, regulates insurance sector in India. The primary purpose of IRDA is to safeguard the interest of the policyholders and ensure the growth of insurance in the country, like that. So once you search like this, you will get so many questions like this. Which is the number one insurance company in India? LIC. How many
LIC.
how many companies are under IRDA? General Insurance, as of September 2022, IRDAI has recognized 31 non-life insurance companies. Then what are the powers of IRDAI? Section 14 of IRDAI Act lays down the duties, powers, and functions of IRDAI. Subject to the provisions of this Act and any other law for the time being in force, the authority shall have the duty, this is very important, to regulate, promote, ensure orderly growth of insurance business and reinsurance business. देखो, each and every word is important. Regulate, promote, ensure orderly growth of insurance and reinsurance business. There are so many other questions also. You can go through this. And I have been telling you, you must be able to search and make out some brief answers for the following institutions. Number one, RBI. Note down. Number one, RBI. Number two, IRDAI. IRDAI. Number three, SEBI. SEBI. Number four, NHB. Then number five, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Number six, National Housing Bank. Number seven, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Number
Sir,
eight,
NHB and
pardon?
National Housing Bank are same, na?
National Housing Bank chairman. You want to know the chairman's name? Yeah.
No, sir. I am asking NHB and National Housing Bank are both are same, na?
हाँ सर, आपने 3 नंबर पे वही बताया था NHB.
No, what are you asking? I'm not able to hear you.
आपने 3
Sir,
नंबर पे
I
भी
am
नेशनल हाउसिंग
asking
बैंक बताया था.
NHB and
National
NAHB
Housing Bank
repetition
and
होगा.
Both are
NHB
same.
both are same.
Both are same.
Yeah.
Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. And you should go to the website and get to know who is the important person there. Then you should also know about ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. Likewise, ये सब आप prepare करने से you will be ready to go for any interview. Just similarly, I have also told you, go through the list of union ministers, and if you are from states where there are union ministers, you get to know who are all the union ministers from your state. Then your own state ministry, you go through that. You also go through what are the government schemes given in your state by your state government, by central government for various purposes. Next, budget features. These things you must be thorough with. But South Indian Bank, they will not ask very tough questions, but still you must know. But they are asking such lead questions like this. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are all the questions that were asked in South Indian Bank only. All these things about PFRDA, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India. Who is the chairman of that? Some Bandyopadhyaya, Chattopadhyaya.
Supratim
Uh,
Bandyopadhyay.
Subratim Bandyopadhyaya. You must know about it and what it is under which ministry and what is their main function. That they are the people who are regulating NPS and also NPS like that. You should go through that, prepare about it. Then they will ask you questions like, say, what is lead bank? What is lead bank? Can you tell me
Sir,
what is meant? Yeah, tell me.
most number of
Mm,
branches in
mm,
locality.
mm. See, I'm just searching. I understand nowadays you have your chat GPT, Simply go and search, it will tell you everything. See, this is what it is. What is lead bank scheme in India? The scheme aims at coordinating the activities of banks and other developmental agencies through various forums in order to achieve the objective of enhancing the flow of bank finance to the priority sector and other sectors and to promote banks' role in the overall development of the rural sector. So you must also know what is the lead bank in your district. Likewise, so if you go and search, you will get so many other questions also. You please prepare on these lines. This material I have provided you. This material I have provided you in your file, in your folder itself. Please go through that. Sometimes for commerce students and all, they will ask what is cross selling, what is upselling, what is negotiable instruments like that. So please prepare on those lines. It will be better. So thank you so much. Today I have to stop at this stage because I have fixed another interview for Exim Bank for another person. So I may have to leave this. I don't know whether that gentleman is here. Exim Bank boy, are you there online? Exim Bank? Exim Bank, Exim Bank. Let me check it up. Yeah. So shall I close this with this now? Because I have to go for that interview. Because
Okay.
year after it will be busy like this.
Okay, sir.
And tomorrow
Okay,
there
sir.
is
No
no
problem.
tomorrow there is no class because I told you I'll be leaving tonight. For me tonight, for you tomorrow morning, 8th morning, I am going to Canada, and from 9th maybe we will have classes. We will think about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's what it
Okay.
is. So best wishes. In the meantime, you have 2 days time before you. Please read a lot of things. I suggest, since time available is less, you please go through the questions asked in South Indian Bank interview, in Federal Bank interview, wherever Federal comes, change the name as South Indian and then try to read and note down points and be ready to answer questions confidently when we meet on 9th, oh, 9th, 9 o'clock. I will tell you at what time I will meet you. I will post in our Telegram page. Okay.
Okay.
All
Okay,
of
sir.
all of you are members of Telegram page. I will post in that Telegram because timing is different in Canada. In that place, it is ahead 2.5 hours ahead of the um, say India time. So that will be different timings I will arrange and I'll get it
Indian.
done. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Happy Holi, sir.
Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you,
Happy
sir.
Holi. Happy Holi for all of you. Best
Happy Holi,
wishes.
sir.
Happy Holi, sir.
Happy Holi, sir.
Happy Holi. Which date is Holi?
Thank you,
8th
sir.
March.
Today,
Today,
sir.
sir, in Telugu states.
Telugu state. Oh. Anyhow, thank you.